So, weirdly enough, in the first episode, we actually went over how gearing... I kind of want to go play. Oh, we won't catch them now. We won't catch them now. If you were on a bigger bike, maybe. Welcome back. In the first video we went over, weirdly enough, gears before basic bike controls, because it was just one of the things that got me onto the idea and that was recommended. So now we've got the new MT-09, we're going to go over basic bike controls. We're not going to do any riding, I'm just going to point and show effectively. So if you're new to motorcycles, this video is for you. If you're worried about going for your CBT because you've never been on a bike before or never even been near one, then this video is also for you. So we'll start with just the handlebars. Obviously you have the handlebars. On the right hand side is the throttle, which turns. So that's the throttle closed, turn it towards you. That's the same as pressing a pedal in a car. So that's opening the throttle and closing the throttle. The front brake is the right lever. So the right front lever is your front brake, that's with the throttle, and that just works your front brake. It doesn't touch the rear one. Think of it as like a bicycle if you've ever ridden one of them. It'll only do the front one, not the back one. On the left hand side, this grip doesn't move or shouldn't move, because that does nothing. The left lever is your clutch, so this is what will disengage the sort of like the drive from the engine pretty much. So as long as the clutch is in, you're not going to move off anywhere as long as the clutch is working correctly. So that's what you'll pull in to change into gears, and change back to neutral and such. So that the clutch will always cut power to the engine. So if you're ever on a bike or you're on your CBT and you're starting to panic a little bit, or you let the clutch out too quickly and the front wheel starts coming up or whatever because you set off from a standstill, just pull the clutch in, cuts power to the engine, and it'll come back down. On the left hand side you have your gear lever, which is this thing, and we've talked about gears in the other video, so if you've seen that you'll know it goes in like a tower as such, where basically it's gear 1, neutral, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it starts in neutral, down for 1, up for the rest. Down here you have your rear brake, which is obviously for the back. Like I said, you've got two different controls for the braking, so they don't go on together. You can use them together, you should get taught that anyway, like things with emergency stop. It's progressive on the front brake while tapping the rear brake. But that is basic bike controls. There's nothing else really to do with safety or how to ride. The only other things I can think of is indicators will be on the left here, so I'll just show you. So this is your indicators, should turn on, should just there, and then if I turn my right one on, it's just there. To turn indicators off, all you do is press it in while it's in the middle and the indicators go off. Horn, quite simple. Most bikes won't have that, I don't think, unless the bigger ones. That's your traction control for me. And you'll normally have an electric start, so you might have this switch here if it's a newer bike, or you'll have an electric start under here, which you'll press while it's in neutral to turn the bike on. If it's in gear, you will have to have your kickstand up and clutch in. But that is it for basic bike control. So if anybody wants any further information on what does what, or me to go a bit more in depth, just let me know and I can go over it. Cheers.